The Huawei Mate X was the biggest competitor to the original Galaxy Fold. It was the exact opposite of the Fold, featuring an outward folding display compared to the inward folding display of the Galaxy Fold. And some might argue that was a better implementation of a folding phone. It undeniably looked better and had more screen real estate. But its successor, the Mate X2, is gonna change that up and use an inward folding display just like the Galaxy Fold. This isn't the first time we're hearing of an inward folding display from Huawei. Back in January, Huawei filed a patent with the European Union Intellectual Property Office for a foldable phone that had an inward folding display, 6 cameras and a stylus. The patent also shows the sidebar that was on the Mate X, but this time instead of folding outwards, it's gonna fold inwards. And I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a second display on the front just like the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now, it's not certain if it'll be exactly like this, but according to the information from Ross Young, the founder and CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultant, who has always been accurate regarding any phone's display technology, the Mate X2 will have an inward folding display just like the recently announced Galaxy Z Fold 2, and the panel will be sourced from Samsung and China's BOE. But it's not going to be the ultra-thin glass that Samsung used on the Z Flip and the Z Fold 2, but rather a CPI display, which stands for colorless polyimide. He also saw an early configuration of the Mate X2, and it's gonna have a laptop mode. So basically, it's gonna be able to stay wide open and also sit in a 90 degrees position, just like the flex mode we saw on the Galaxy Z Flip earlier this year. The display is gonna be the same 8.03 inch just like the original Mate X, but this time it's gonna be folding inwards. This is also gonna be the first non-Samsung foldable phone to use a foldable panel from Samsung Display. Let me know what you think about Huawei's decision to use an inward folding display in the comment section below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.